Spotted my buddy, gave a wave. Hey, what's up? How's your day? Feeling chill or kinda tired? Same old stuff, nothing wired. Wanna talk? Keep it light. Wanna grab a bite tonight? Or maybe just a simple line. Let's hang out, your place or mine. Friend looks low, show you care. You okay? I'm always there. Need advice or just a vent? Tell me what's up, no need to pretend. Good news, hype it loud. Yo, that's awesome, I'm so proud. Need to bounce, keep it real. Gotta run, but let's talk deal. Joking around, teasing a bit. You always say that you never quit. Sharing memes or throwing shade. LL bro, that joke just slayed. Saying bye in friend style tone. Catch you later, don't ghost my phone. Friends or family, don't forget we've got each other, no regret. Friendship talk in English flow with rhymes that help your fluency grow. Next time you chat, don't overthink, just use these lines smooth as a wink.